The water crisis isn't coming. It's already here. Every drop is precious. Every shortage is critical. And yet we must ask ourselves, what will we drink when there is nothing left to drink? America is always moving forward in rebuilding. If we're going to rebuild America, we must do it better. We're a nation of innovators. We built the internet, revolutionized robotics, and took humanity to the stars. Now it's time to bring that same ingenuity to water. And we will. At Water, we are revolutionizing how water is treated, utilizing small amounts of electricity, creating safe and ultra-pure drinking water. Our mission is simple: radical innovation for a brighter future. Water is solving the water crisis with real solutions. On-site reuse systems that turn waste into usable resources. Real estate and aquatic systems that are safe and profitable. Residential water treatment solutions that are clean and safe. Mobile water services that bring purification wherever it's needed most. The future of water is in our hands. The time to act is now. Join us in shaping a world where clean water isn't a luxury, it's a guarantee. Clean water for all humankind.